Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today I'm playing an indie game made in Unity called Falling Awake. It says it right there. It's on itch.io. I'll leave a link in the description for you to have a go, and already I quite like the art style of this one. WAS to move, or arrow keys. Yep, okay, fine. Quit to real world. Start. Press space. Okay. That's... Oh. Okay. So far so good. Seems quite nice. Oh, so it's... Oh, cool. It's a 2D platformer. Objects inside your imagination bubble will start moving. Okay. This is kind of cool. Oh. It's basically just like a puzzle game. Oh, this is really good actually. I am enjoying this. It is quite unique, if I'm honest. I don't think I've ever played anything like this. This is really good. The style is really nice as well. This would be pretty decent with a controller, I think, as well. Oh wow. No, I okay, reset. Oh, alright. Yeah, I mean, when I play these games, a lot of the time I'm just kind of playing, and yeah, they're okay. But there are times when I will like really recommend you play them, and this is probably one of those. Especially if you're into this style of game. Move green objects. Ah, okay. So do I move it this way? I think so. Yep. I wonder if it's more than just this one level. Let's have a look at the map. Oh, okay, so I've missed a crystal gem thing there. I wonder if I can. Oops. I'm gonna say no. Oh, okay, so the green one. Jump. There we go. There we go. I think I've done that right. Yep. There we go. Oh, right, so there's 8 crystals. I'm not sure how many I'm going to get, but at this point I would absolutely recommend you play this. This is really good. I really like this. Okay, let's take this. There we go, okay. So can I push it this way? Is that where it's supposed to go? Oh, do I climb up that vine there? Yes. Well, the question is... I'm not sure what I did there. Oops. Fell down. Okay. So I think I'm gonna kind of need that back. So if I jump there, bring this round to there. There we go. Yeah, I would recommend playing this, guys. Absolutely. It's a really nice game. Where am I on the map? Oh, maybe that's how I get that. There it is. I got it. Okay, back through this way. Looking for the map again. Okay, I'm going to try going up there. Oh, yeah. There we go. It's alright. I was trying to remember how to reset. Okay, so these ones. Why can't I move them? Oh, there we go. Hang on. I think I've got it. I have. Well, I thought I had. I think I would be much better with a controller. There we go. I've done it. I've done it. Okay. Goodbye. I might get one more crystal gem thing and then let you guys carry on if you want to carry on. I don't want to spoil everything here. This is really good. I really, really like this. Jump down from green platforms. S and space. Ah, okay. So I can keep going down. Cool. Okay, so I'm going to try doing this one. Okay, so that's one we can move. Oh, there we go. That's it. Down mushrooms. Oops. Okay, so I've got 4 now. Oh, it's a spring thing. There we go. There we go. Yep. I'm just gonna carry on here. I really like this game. Okay, so this is nice. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna carry on with this off video. This is really good. Honestly, guys, I think at this point I would really recommend playing this. It feels unique. Its style is so nice. And I'm pretty sure there are going to be more levels than just this one. It requires you to think, and that's good. So, yeah, guys, I really enjoy playing this one. It's really good. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I think I need water from somewhere else now. There we go. Yes, that's how you solve that. So, this is, or was, whatever, is Falling Awake. It's really good. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. But let me know in the comments why you didn't like it. Because I always like to know, and if the developer ever sees this, then obviously they'd probably like to know as well. So yeah, this... Oh, I fall off. Yeah, this has been Falling Awake. I've been Jimmy Vegas. Guys, thank you so much for watching.